Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this kit. So let's just separate the pieces that don't need much of anything, Alright, so here is the pieces that need work. Clipping away the screws and stuff like that's what I'm saying. Alright, so those wheels are good. Now, carefully, let's try to get this support plastic from underneath this gun clipped away. Clip that, and then carefully, with the smaller scales, try to be extra careful. Alright, that should be good enough. So that's the clipping away process for this kit. Next, we need to glue this part to this vehicle. So go ahead and get some glue back there. Some glue in these edges don't hurt. Some glue there. Then take this and put it down. Alright, that's good. There's actually some clipping away here that I missed, but it's okay that I missed it because it doesn't affect anything. So you can clip it away before or after you glue that piece. Alright, there's that. So there's this part of the kit. Next you can see how that will go. So essentially get some glue there and you should be good. Okay, and then go like this. There you go. Let's do the other one now. And then put this down like that. Okay, let that dry for a bit, and let's put some glue down there and there. You can put that piece like that. And then that can be let drying as well. I'm trying to get this to fit in the correct place. So just try it out and you can see which way it should go. It fits well like that. So just get some glue, put in there, and then simply put that part there. There you go. So what's left is pretty simple. Let's just get these wheels glued on. So just get and make sure that the axle part is going in the center of the wheel. Axle part to the middle. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, and then this side. Make sure it goes in the middle, And then, put some glue there, and glue there. Okay. And then, just make sure that this piece goes in the middle, Last gluing, actually, right here. There you go. Well, just make sure that the tire is all laid out well on the surface of a table. There you go. Put this turret in. And there you have it. There's that for Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.